Hey YouTube, what is up? Fireball Yu-Gi-Oh here, and today I have two pack openings for you. As you can see, I have a Generation Force? Wow, Generation Force, and a Hidden Arsenal 2. I was at my local card shop today. I'm like, I'll get a couple packs while I can. So, I'll start with Generation Force. I'm looking forward to seeing if I get anything in this. Okay, Fishing Kicks, Explosive Urchin, Gusto Kodor, Double or Nothing. My rare is Fish and Swaps. Oh, an Affected Male. That's neat. Damage Vaccine Omega Max, Crashberg X, and Wind Up Dog. Nice. So, those are the rares I got. Okay, and I'm hoping to get a Fabled Grimro out of this Hidden Arsenal too. So, let's see what I got. Okay, Jurassic Monolith, Naturia Rock, Miss Valley Baby Rock. My secret rare is, ooh, what is this? Windmill Genix. So, not a bad pull at all. I'm a little disappointed I didn't get my Fabled Grimro. But yeah, so these are the pulls, the rares. I'm pretty happy. I could have done better, but then again, you can always do better. So I will see you guys later in a later video, of course, and comment, rate, subscribe. Peace out.